Hare Krishna दोस्तों, this video is complete set of understanding Vastu Shastra. Now let's start. First of all, Vastu Shastra means Vastu means house or temple, and the theory is connected to understand how the five elements of that house can be balanced with the universe. So Vastu means house, Vastu is thing. Both are connected through the cosmic energy, and we have to balance this energy. Vastu Shastra, if you see that the science of Vastu is time and space rhythm from the spaces filled with countless particles, means complete universe itself is like a cosmic energy, and every particle has some specific energy, that is cosmic energy. Every house is having the same energy, so we have to balance the five elements. What are the five elements? There is a word Bhagwan, Bhe, Ge, Ve, Ane, Vaisi, Bhumi, Gagan, Vayu, Agni, Neer. These five elements of house, when are balanced, it is a good Vastu Shastra point. Okay, and time is directly proportional to the tridimensional space. Means space is like five element, and time is with time. If these five elements are balanced with time, then we will get better result. Okay, if you see Kalpurush, complete Brahmand here around Earth, if you see here from drawing, complete Brahmand is like all the stars around Earth. All the stars are like this, and these are formed with Kalpurush. Kalpurush is like this, starting from Aries. Here is head, and so on. Complete Kalpurush. Now the same thing is happening inside the house. This is the house where north side is this, northeast, east, southeast. So here northeast is the head part. It's actually the source of energy, and for us also head is the source of energy through which energy is coming to us. Here it is a crown chakra, then third eye chakra, then Vishuddhi chakra, Anahat chakra, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Swadhisthana, and Muladhara. Same way, these are the seven chakra you can see in the picture. So energy is coming to here, and if the if the energy is not coming through here, then the body like house will not get good energy. So this is very useful here to understand that your house would be getting good energy, positive energy. For that five element like air, sunlight, and water, all these things. Prithvi Tattva means that energy of material energy. Okay, that is Prithvi Tattva. Now coming to understanding that you are not separate, means the house is like a human being, and you are talking, you are living in that house. If you are friend with that house, you are connected, your soul is connected with that house. The house will become temple, means you will feel pleasure. Automatically house should be having good frequency with your horoscope also, and with the universe. So if all three together, the universe, your house, and you, three together having synchronized, then it will be amazing positive result. If you picture see that this energy flow is like this: smallest particle, nucleus, atom, cell, omen, biosphere, and all these things, a galaxy. It's completely from smallest particle to the biggest particle. All these are connected and cyclic. Here down below, Brahma means complete universe of universe. Then Brahmanda, small universe. Then Pinda, smallest particle. Whatever happening here, same thing is happening here. Okay. Coming to cell. Cell is universe. If you see detail inside the cell, you will find that cell is like a universe. By picture also it is looking like that, and here birth of a cell and death of a star, all these things are happening in very detail and amazingly the same way. It is very surprising. And secret of vibration, everything is in form of vibration. Let it be a very small cell or the biggest galaxy, whatever, all these things are in vibration form and connected with cosmic energy. There is a consciousness, chetna, understanding. Like we understand, our house is also understand that energy. It has something to say about. It has something to connect. When you connect to yourself to your house, it becomes a human nature. It becomes very auspicious. So before taking house, you should always take lot of precautions. If you stop this video, you will find the list of good tips. And after that, when you take the house, you should go for puja. And why we do puja? It's like a muhurt. When universe planet are very good, your horoscope is very good, both will match together on that day. And if you do the auspicious puja, that puja will boost the energy of that house. That's why grab Ramesh. Okay. Next is temple. If you see the temple, it has 7 parts, 7 chakra, like this human being, and body part like our crown chakra. All these chakra I told you. And next is, if you see Vastu Shastra, if you see the house also having the same type of 5 elements are there, different color. It's fire, it's fire, water, it's earth. Like this, these are 5 elements. Okay. Now, uh, you should always bow yourself. You should always worship to Lord Vastu, and you will feel connectivity. Either you can worship any Lord, any god, but always remember that you should connect with your house. Then you will get amazing result. And the puja process keep on going weekly, monthly, daily, at whatever level, but always do auspicious thing in the house. Now coming to the first chapter, the direction are 4 here, and major part of learning is that magnetic energy comes from north, and solar energy comes from east, and both when joined together, northeast energy is the highest, that is prana energy. So this is the positive energy side. Same if you see this picture, it's like a magnetic energy, Javik, it's solar energy, and it's a pranic energy in center. So both are connected together. Okay, here also scientific. And duality, same thing I told, magnetic energy and solar energy. Magnetic is mind, solar is heart, and when joined together, it becomes a cosmic energy. Same way when Ardhanarishwar, Shakti form, Ardhanarishwar form. Okay, left side is woman part, right side is man, Prakriti and Purush. Same thing is happening inside the house also. If you see, it's like magnetic, that is man, it's like a Purush, and from here this is woman, or you can say Prakriti. So when joined together, it becomes other Narishwar form, and energy is coming from here, the best way. Same happening inside all the Rashi, 1, 3, 5, all Rashi are male, even Rashi are female. Now these 3 are like magnetic energy, solar energy, pranic energy. These 3 are like Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. You can understand this. Now direction, there are 4 main direction, and in between another 4, total 8 direction. These are having some angles. You can stop the video and check this to understand. Now 5 elements are this. It's a water, it's a air, it's a earth, fire. Earth is the heaviest. I told that if energy is coming through this. Why this is water? Actually, the mind is through mind energy is coming, and mind is water, like it's a man, it's Chandra. So that's why. And in center, it's a space. So, and the center space of any house should be empty and spacious for getting and receiving the energy. Now there are 81 divisions of the house, but there are major 8 I told in previous slide. Here all the 81, it has a different name. They are known. If you pause this video, and you will find the different name. This explain that here magnetic energy coming through this, solar energy, cosmic energy. You can say Trideva, okay, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. And here to stop the energy, here it should be like a thick wall, and here window should be there of cosmic energy. If the door is somewhere else, you should always keep the window here, so that energy should be keep coming. Now in a house, Always make temple, or when you enter the house there should be some auspicious energy at the entrance, like at the door also you can make. And temple are also the same way. It's Lord Shiva, and temple is like same body, same parts. Now these are the angles named. Okay, and the color is like means 7 colors of light with your Indradhanush rainbow color, and all the angles are in the same way. If you use the planet wise, these all the planet are called like Ishanya Kon is Guru, Budh, north side, Moon is Vayukon, Shani is west, that is Paschim, and Rahu is Netrakya Kon, Dakshin Mangal, and Shukra Agni Kon. It has some connection like Agni Kon, Shukra, it's the most highly temperature planet also, that's why Agni Kon is here, and Surya, east, it's a solar energy coming from this. Magnetic energy because communication. Mercury is an air planet, and energy comes through air. That is because of the Mercury planet. Guru is actually the balance, the growth. That's why Guru is here. Now, 5 elements are explained here, and where and what. In your house, if you see northeast, you can make entrance here, temple, room, and balcony here, underground water tank. But what you should avoid here in northeast, if you, this is the house, you can avoid in north side toilet, kitchens, and septic tank. Now north side, you can make treasury means your safe and all, living space, bathroom, and avoid bedroom here. Northwest, you can make septic tank, guest bathroom, bedroom, toilet, dining, and all. These are in northwest. West side, dining room, children bedroom, study room. Okay, so these are written here, you can read out. What is the basic meaning? The basic meaning is the energy is coming from north east, it is pranic energy, so these areas would be more auspicious for purchase. And down below, it can be used for heavy items. Okay, like you can take here or add water tank, staircase, book, heavy items you can see. It's a heavy item here. Okay, and it's a bedroom here, kitchen here, fireplace. So these are something as per the energy flow inside the house. If you see the commercial office, it is simply like manager room here, director room here. It's a north side, it says northeast is. So as per this you can do. Okay, same thing in detail here, so that you can pause the video and you can see all these detail. There is a meaning in this, like if you see the center, it's a Brahmasthan. Okay, so Brahmasthan should be empty, no obstacles here to get the energy from here. West side, director, manager, and south side, senior staff you can make. So field staff, and north side it's a reception. So this is actually the best position where you can make and use the space for that particular purpose. Now, how to find out the Brahmasthan in any house or any building or any space? If you see this, if some house is like this different form, you can complete this by imaginary light. An imaginary line is here, and these are the two imaginary line here and here. Then you can imaginarily do the crossing, and center point, crossing point is Brahmasthan. Why it is important to find the Brahmasthan? So that you can find out this is empty and avoid any item to be placed. Don't place any item here, and there will be positive energy there. You can keep tulsi, or you can keep something like that. After that, east facing house. As per the Vastu, if you see, east side it is this, north side, west and south. Here, north and east, center it's a puja room, kitchen here, southeast Agni Kon. So this is something as per the Vastu, east facing house. Same you can see the west facing house. It's a road here, it's a car parking here, and if you cross this in 4 part, this corner is for puja. So puja can be here, or you can make some possibility here, anywhere in this corner. No need and no urgency that only this place. anywhere puja sthan inside this box. Same way kitchen, if it is not possible here, you can make anywhere inside this corner wherever possible. Same, this is bedroom. Okay, north facing house, this is, you can see the same thing. South facing, it's like this. Now I explained already that seven chakra are like for temple there are seven chakra. If you read this, seven chakra are like a temple is made. South Indian temples are like this. Okay, here the main energy center. These are the seven energy block, and energy and crown chakra is here. And now, if you read this, you will find that these have different names. Every part of temple has a different name and it has meaning in that name. If you read this, there are seven chakra. Out of seven, six chakra are here and seven is here. It's a crown chakra on top. Temple as body of deity. Okay, Lord Shiva, and temple is this. Here, it's a good slope. It's a sideways. It's a not good. Slope means if you see your house would be like little higher on this southwest side and down northeast side. So aim is not to tilt the house. Aim is slope or drainage. Okay, and second aim is that energy should be easily coming into house through northeast. This side, opposite side, you can close it and window no need to open, but east side, and northeast side, you always keep the windows and they should be ventilated. Same thing is explained here. Better size of plot, if you see, the best size is 40 by 20 and better is 40. Lower than normal plot is this actually every shape has some energy. Okay, every shape has some direction of energy. For example, when it's a like a smoothly made house, a cyclic house, it's a moon energy. When it is square type of, it's a Mars energy. When it is long, it's a Rahu energy. So don't make long type of house. Chakra and Vastu explained earlier. These seven chakra are like this. When energy comes from northeast, it flows like this. Okay. Brahmasthan always keep this spacious, and you can keep the tulsi or some positive energy type of spacious thing here. Puja Sthan, there are tips that don't make the temple under some staircase, or it should be like positive energy place. Okay, these are some tips. You can keep the color very calm and it should be very much neat and clean space. Idol, don't keep the broken idols also. Okay, doors and single door is not good. Always keep two door open. Okay, two door type door, not a single type. And next is, I explained that north side is always more positive. When you want to decide that where to keep heavier item or heavier things, then north side is for lighter, south is heavier. Same way, and this east and west, eastern is lighter, west is heavier. Okay, this is something to understand, that Vastu Shastra is not only just to keep the items that way, but also to keep the family members together wholeheartedly. If your family members are close together and hard-hearted together, then Vastu Shastra energy will flow so much. In other words, if you have wonderful Vastu Shastra but your family member are not joined, then Vastu Shastra will not help as much. Kitchen, there are tips for kitchen. Okay, always excellent. This is the excellent place. It is Agni Kond. It's the average, and at least don't place the kitchen here. Avoid it here. If it is there, don't break it. Make it ventilated always. Use the exhaust fan and keep the kitchen always divine energy. Now, mantra. Keep the mantra going like Om chanting and other mantra you can do. There are a lot of things like chakra. You can use different stones, and these are the color therapy inside the house. This is mudra therapy to improve the house energy. Okay. Now, wherever blocks of shakti, energy, like in a house, if some hindrance is there, you have to find through so many ways. And after finding the energy blockage, if you remove that, then energy flow will be good. It is equivalent to culture. Those that's why I explained here. Okay. Same thing I told that universe energy in house energy and your palm. All things are having all the energies, and your hand also receives energy. That's why we do like this, and we get energy. We do like this for giving energy. Okay. Your neighborhood should be very much powerful. Vastu is also important of nearby location. If it's very negative area, negative colony, then your house is also affected. And the first house is like the main door. Sun is the center and the source of energy. Same way, your house is the source of energy. If your east direction is very much open, house owner is very powerful role. If owner is very happy and positive, then things will go down. Color therapy, you can do color therapy also. Positive energy, music, and color therapy and all. And Kalpurush, this energy is like cosmic energy. It means that the universe itself is like a family. If you are having a good energy connected with the universe, then you can get a lot of energy through the universe. Okay. Einstein told that vibrations are more important than emotions. All the friends, all the family members would have good emotions. Everything in this universe